What's up everyone? I hope you're having a fantastic day because right now I'm having a blast here in Ontario. Right in front of me is one of the most majestic sceneries you will see in Canada. I haven't filmed anything yet, but I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be a fun and exciting day. So why don't you sit tight, relax, enjoy, be inspired, and let's all have a good time. Come with me. Before anything else, let me give you a quick tour of this suite that we got here at Niagara Falls View. We're having lunch first before we go to the falls so that we get that energy level a little higher because I'm really starving. I haven't eaten anything since the day started. How you doing?
I'm hungry!
We're hungry! We're going to this Italian place called Zappi's. What? Italian?
Italic.
We're having Italian food for lunch and we're going to this restaurant called Zappi's, which is right across the street, right over there. Hope the food's good. That's all I'm hoping for.
We have the ravioli and the small pizza.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Having pizza and pasta, of course. It looks really good. Lunch was good, and we will give Zappi's a thumbs up! Don't mind the gloves. Alright, the bus is here. Alright, the bus is all mine. Friends, I welcome you to Niagara Falls. The wait is finally over. We waited for 2 hours here at Niagara to see the night lights at the waterfalls, and we'll finally be able to see it. That's it for us today, guys. We're trying to catch our bus. I'll see you next time. Peace. We missed our bus. sorry? Are you mad at me? I'm sorry. We missed our bus. I'm so sorry.